Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to speak to you guys about how to get good quality referrals and affinities. Alright, page 12 of your sales manual. Referrals and affinities are much warmer leads, so it's easier to close more customers. So let's dig into that. Important things to know about referrals and affinities are they are much warmer leads and they help you build trust with your customer. They help you make money and they help you get promoted even quicker. How to become a master at referrals and affinities. And the manual says this: load a minimum of 45 referrals and 7 affinities every single day. Ask everyone you speak to for referrals. Doesn't matter whether you've sold to them or not. Offer everyone you speak to the affinity, and again, it doesn't matter whether you sold to them or not. Make sure you offer this to everybody you ask. Make sure you have built good rapport with the person you are speaking to by being friendly and being polite. Key 5 of the 10 keys, sales manual, right? Aim is to get a minimum of 10 referrals per call and at least 1 affinity on every call you make. Follow the script to the word by asking for referrals and offering the affinity to a T. Be prepared to get objections and understand that you are going to get to them. But also be prepared to handle them by knowing your objection handling off by heart. This is very important, guys. Be confident and take control. And again, how do you be confident and take control on the call? It's by knowing your pitch. It's by knowing how to handle objections. It's by being confident in what you do. And use the affinity to get more referrals on every single call with every single customer. Now, make sure you load good quality referrals, right? Ask for the names of close friends, family, colleagues, etc. so you know who you're going to be calling. Make sure they are working. Make sure you qualify them properly, because we only want to deal with customers who are working and who can afford our products. Know what the relationship is, whether it's a brother, sister, parent, colleague, good friend, etc. But also don't waste too much time getting unnecessary information, like the name of their kids or the cats or how many goldfish they have, for example. Work your referrals and affinities correctly. What do I mean by this? When you are pitching, make sure you follow the pitch 100% and 100% of the time. And most importantly, always apply the law of averages. Load your referrals and affinities with the correct information. Why is this so important? So that number one, when you pitch your customer today or the following day, you have the correct information. That's how you build trust, that's how you build rapport. So that when you're speaking to the client, you know who you're speaking to, you know what he's driving, you know where he's working, you know what he does. That helps build trust with the customer. Make sure you dial all your referrals and all your affinities. Don't cherry pick. Don't choose who you're going to speak to. Speak to every single customer, speak to every single affinity that you've given away and every referral that you've loaded. Dial your referrals and affinities up to a maximum of 5 times. What do we mean by this? When you're coming in tomorrow and you're dialing these referrals, dial them in the morning. If you don't get answer or they're not available, dial them again in the afternoon. If you still haven't gotten through to them or haven't made contact, dial them again in the afternoon. Dial them 3 times on the first day. Then leave them for a day or 2 later. If you still don't get hold of them, move them to the Saturday. Dial them on the Saturday. And very importantly, if you don't get hold of them, get rid of the referral, move on. So you don't waste time on the referrals who don't answer. Load your referrals and affinities into the dialer every day, the same day. Why is this important? So that when you get to work tomorrow, you're set up for success. The information is there, you're not wasting time to get going. Guys, page 12 of the sales manual, how to get good quality referrals and affinities. Make sure you understand this, because if you're a master at getting referrals, you'll become a master at doing this business. Hope this helps. Have a good day.